Okay, sabitin natin to. Given the area in the first quadrant bounded by x squared is equal to 8y and the line x is equal to 4 and the x-axis, what is the volume generated by the curve in this area by the y-axis? Okay? Ang ano nito, direction is upward. Ang vertex niya is 0, 0. Okay? Graph muna natin. Ano magiging tsura niya? X is equal to 4 dito. Tapos, upward. So, pag ganito. First quadrant lang naman. So, dito. Lakihan natin. Tapos, ito yung axis of revolution. Lakihan natin. Bilang tayo sa first quadrant. Check natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung 4. Okay? Tapos, nandito yung axis of revolution. So, hindi siya magdidikit yung axis of revolution sa mga strips natin. So, hindi siya pwede ng this method. Gamitan natin siya ng ring method. Okay? Magiging dy strip. 0, 0 to. Tapos, ito, 4, 0. Hanapin muna natin yung plot niyan para makita natin yung A to B niya. Yung A niya is equal to 0, yung B nandito. So, hanapin natin to. 4. Hanapin natin. So, i-substitute natin equation niyan. X is equal to 4. Kasi x squared is equal to 8 times 4. Ay, mali. 4 squared is equal to 8y. 16 is equal to 8y. Y is equal to 2. So, 4 to 2. Okay? Bali, integral natin is from 0 to 2. Ang formula ng ring is pi r outermost squared minus innermost squared dy. Malaman din ni outermost kung siya yung pinakamalayo dun sa axis of revolution. Distance niya. Tapos yung innermost is ito from the axis of revolution. Okay? Base sa graph natin, ang r squared is yung distance niya. So, magiging 4 minus 0 squared. Minus yung pabago-bago siya. So, equation niya dapat yung magiging in terms of po ito. So, square root lang natin. X is equal to square root ng 8y. Tapos minus kung ano yung plot ng ating axis of revolution. So, y square root of 8y minus 0. 0 naman. Square dy. Okay? Pwede na natin siyang simplify muna natin. Magiging 16 minus 64y dy. Okay? Integration ng pi multiplied by 4 squared minus 0, iwanan na natin yan, minus quantity square root ng 8y by natin x squared, quantity squared, parenthesis, from 0 to 2, which is 50.27 right, cubic units.